Okay. Hi. I hope I'm live, like I'm visible. Am I visible right now? Right now, am I visible? Please tell me. Good afternoon. Okay. Visible? Okay. Great, great, great. Okay. Right now, am I visible? Please yes. Finally, I think I don't know, some maybe some two videos got merged or something like that happened. Some huh. Finally. Yeah. Okay, so let's get started with our today's class. Right now, we are going to have a small, little bit, teeny tiny class of mathematical reasoning. I really wanted to teach you related to this divisibility test. Okay, so basically, in divisibility test, you actually have to check that which number, like suppose if a big number is given to you, then that number is divisible by which number. If you need to check very very quickly, that comes usually in the new pattern of your NTA UGC net, sometimes in like in 2020 also, in 2021 also, in that exam, some of the questions were there related to divisibility, right? Okay, so let's get started with our mathematical reasoning class, and please quickly click on the like button so that I'll get to know yes, everybody has joined, and yes, you can take out your books because special learners are also there. Arey wah, nice, nice, nice. Okay, so my name is Niharika Bhaktani, and right now today we are going to study related to mathematical reasoning. For those who have not joined Telegram, please join Telegram. This is the place where we all get connected. Okay, let me check whether my live class is going on right now or no. I hope it's not going. Wait, ठीक है. It's still not, it's still buffering. So let me just finish that class. Okay. So if you haven't followed me on Unacademy yet, then please follow me on Unacademy. This is my Unacademy profile. Okay, and come on, let's get started with our test of divisibility. So till now in 2020 also and in 2021 also, these new types of questions come that in which you have to tell that this number is divisible by which number. So in order to check, you can see, like suppose if you want to see a number is divisible by 2, let's start from the beginning. If it is divisible by 2, how you will check? That is, the unit digit of that number should be an even number. It can be a 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Acha, it's still showing that. Okay, okay. I guess I finished class. That class is already finished. I hope that class is already finished. Is it or no? Yeah? Okay. So, ठीक है. So, divisibility by 2 is simple. What about 3? How we'll get to know about 3, 4 and so on? Please see. A number is divisible by 3 only when the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. That means, suppose if we are getting this number, then please have sum of these numbers, that is 6 plus 9 will be what? 15. Okay, plus 5, 20, 24, 25, 26, 27. The sum is 27. Is 27 divisible by 3? Yes, then definitely the number will be divisible by 3. वहाँ जो क्लास हुआ था, ये सम ऑफ डिविज, यस, ओके. हाँ, अब वहाँ पे क्लास नहीं हो रहा है ऑफ कम्युनिटी लाइक आईसीटी. I'll ask team to add one more class for us. Probably tomorrow morning we can have one class. ठीक है, tomorrow morning 10 a.m. we are having time, so we can just adjust there. हाँ ma'am, this slide is very distinct. Okay, thank you Aditi. ठीक है, so 2 and 3 you got to know. Now we'll see another divisibility. If you want to check the divisibility by 9, then how you will get to know? See how I quickly judge that which table I have to use. This is my trick. This is one of my major trick which I use. That is, I quickly see and judge the number. Ki dekho, the number is divisible by 9 only when the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Like, have you noticed that when we use this table of 9, so it is 0, 9, then after that 18, then 27, then 36, then 45, 54, and so on. So if you add both the numbers, that is 0 plus 9, it becomes 9. 1 plus 8, it becomes 9. 2 plus 7, it becomes 9 again. Again and again, it becomes 9, 9, 9. So if a big number is also given, na, just add the sum. If the sum is coming again, just do the sum, and if the sum is coming again 9, then the number, this definitely it is divisible by 9. Okay, suppose if you take this number, so you can say the sum of these digits are 29, 29, then it is not divisible by 9. Okay, it is not divisible by 9. Okay, now next one is divisibility by 4. How you'll get to know that divisibility by 4? So let me check Telegram page. Has everyone joined class? I don't think so. Everyone has joined class. So many people have voted, but everyone could not join. Let me help them out. First link is, please join this link. Okay, you can see 4. 4. The number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last two digits. If you are getting a big number, na, just see the last two digits. Is it divisible by 4? Then the whole number will be divisible by 4. Trust me. If 38 is not divisible by 4, then the whole number will not be divisible by 4. You can change the number if you want. You can try it suppose instead of this number, you can try 5, 8, 9, 7, 3, 7, 6. So you can quickly judge that okay, 76 divisible by 4, that means I can quickly divide it by 4 instead of taking 2, then 2 again and again, right? Okay, next one we can see, yeah, like a leap year. Very good. Now let's see about 8. How we can quickly judge that whether a big number is divisible by 8 or not. See, a number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its last 3 digits is divisible by 8. For 4, we just need to take 2 digits. For 8, we need to take 3 digits. So see, 352, is it divisible by 8? Is it divisible by 8? Yes or no? You can see 352 divisible by 8. Yes or no? If you take, then I guess it should be. It should be. We can try. 352 by 8. So it will be 4 times, okay, 32. Then again 330. Okay, again 4 times 32. Bingo. Bingo. Yes, it is coming. Definitely. So I can quickly judge that yes, I have to slash this number by 8, not by 2, 2, 2 again and again, and I can save my time in exam. Okay, so but if I take this number 484, is it divisible by 8? 484, is it? I don't think so. No, no. Why? Because see, here to 48 I will just go 6 times, but this 4 will be left, so it will come in points. That's why. Okay. Next one, you can see divisible by 10. Most simple, most basic. Even a 10th class student can, sorry, even a second class student can tell, or third class student can tell. If the last digit is 0, then the whole number is divisible by 10. Okay. Similarly, if we go by 5, so for that the unit digit should be either 5 or 0. Either 5 or 0, nothing else. Either 5 or 0. Okay. Next one, you can see a number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum 11. 11 is very interesting. If the difference between the sum of its digits at the odd places and the sum of its digit at the even places is either 0 or the number is divisible by 11. I swear I've used that many times. यहाँ आपको अच्छा यश श्रुति सरिता ओके so देखो I swear I've used this many times. देखो whenever we see this number ना we get scared. Oh my god, what to do? With which table we will manage this number? Okay, so let's just take alternative numbers, that is 7, then 4, then 3 and 9. What is the sum of 7 plus 4 plus 3 plus 9? What is the sum? You calculate. 7 plus 4 is, wait, 7 plus 9 is 16, 16 plus 17, 18, 19, 20 and 23. Okay, 23 is coming, fine. Then we'll take another alternate numbers, that is 4 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2. So 1 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2. So that is coming as 12. Let's take the difference between them. Is it coming 11? Then definitely this number is, no doubt, this is divisible by 11. Now, you might be thinking, but this is a long process. How will even get to know? See, it's definitely a little bit teeny tiny long as far as means like till the time we practice, but it's so much better than solving it again and again and struggling with 2 key table, 3 key table, 5 key table, 7 key table, then 11 table, then 13 key table, then 15, 17. We reach at so many places. Okay, we reach so far. So instead of that, just quickly add the alternate numbers and check. Divisible by 11? No. Then no need to divide and do trial and error method. No need to remember those tables. Okay. Because see, we struggle so much now. We get such a big number and we struggle so much with this big number. We try to divide that 2 times. Then we put 22, then 7, 4, 6 times and so on. By the time we reach, our time gets over. That's why they are the shortcuts. Okay, they are the shortcuts and literally they help me. Either this number is divisible by 11 or the difference comes 0 or 11, 0 or 11. That's very wonderful. I use it a lot for 11 at least. Now 25 is pretty simple. What is that? See, a number is divisible by 25 if the number is formed by its last 2 digits is either double zero or divisible by 25. That means, suppose we take the last 2 digits as 75. So is 75 divisible, these last 2 digits, is it divisible by 25? Yes, then the whole number is divisible by 25. If we take the last 2 digits as 25, is it divisible by 25? No, that means the whole number is not divisible by 25. No need to struggle for the whole number. Just check out the last 2 digits. Okay, so till now, let's recall till now what we have done. For divisibility of 2, we have checked the even numbers in the last digit. For divisibility of 5, we have checked 0 and 5. For 10, only 0 at the unit digit. For 4, last 2 digits. For 8, last 3 digits. For 11, alternative numbers and taking a difference between them. For 9, sum. For 25, last 2 digits again. ठीक है? For 9 तो sum. Remember 9, 18, 27. So sum of all the numbers you have to take. Okay. Now divisibility by 7 or 13. We struggle for 7 and 13 a lot, right? 7 and 13 a lot. So let's see, because see 7 ka table and 13 ka table and 17 ka table, that's a little bit dicey, that we have to think a lot. So how to judge them? See, divisibility by 7 or by 13. Divide the number into groups of 3 digits. Starting from the right side, 3 digits. Okay, starting from the right side. Then you, like example, if you're having such a big number, I say this such a big number will not be given in your exam, but still. So from the right side, take this group, then take this group and take the number 4. Okay, and find the difference between the sum of these numbers in odd and even places. Oh, now this is a little bit tricky one that we have to find in odd and even places. That is, see, we have to take this plus this, okay, and we have to do minus this. So we are getting this. If the difference is 0 or is divisible by 7 or 13 as the case may be, the number is divisible by 7 and 13. Little bit tricky, but okay. Just for the sake of understanding, or maybe it may help, maybe, or maybe it will help you in future. For that, you can learn a little bit. You can try a little bit. You can try as a game also. Like suppose if you take this number, this such a big number, then just break them into pieces. These three, then these three, and then these three. What happens? Let's see. 488 you will take. Okay, do 488 and take 557 and 488 sorry 579 and 8 minute. This should be what? This should not be this number. This should be 579 only, right? These two should be added and this should be subtracted. Okay, then our answer is coming 91. If 91 is divisible by 7 and 13 and 13, then the number is divisible by 7 and 13 both. Yeah, I guess it's better to learn the table of 7 and 13. I prefer that because I haven't tried this trick ever. I've just read, but I haven't tried. Honestly, I'm telling you, I have tried 25 table ka trick and 11 table trick, 8 and 9. 8 and 9. Remaining 4 and you can say 4 and 2 and 5 and 10, they are already in our heart. Okay, so that we already know. Now, if we take 16, so TK, you can discard that 7 and 13. That was not that much useful. Otherwise, we'll get confused. Now, we'll take 16. So, if a number is divisible by 16, now let's take. So, it is formed by its last 4 digits. Now, this is pretty simple. Pretty simple. Why? Because see, for a table of 4, if we take a divisibility test of 4. Hello, hi Lekika. Not understanding. You can leave that 7 and 13 wala. If you're not understanding, you can quickly jump to 16. Only 16, that will be useful. You can see divisibility by 4 if you want to check. Then which 2 digits you check? Last 2 digits. Okay, last 2 digits. If you want to check divisibility of 8, then we check last 3 digits, that whether last 3 digits are divisible by 8 or not. If you want to check divisibility by 16, then we can check last 4 digits. Then also our work will be done. Either, please like this session if you like it till now, because this is my fastest class that I've taken live. I could not do so much work on this class, but I wanted to teach you this. I really wanted to teach you this since a very long time, and I got this opportunity today. So I thought ki okay, I'm in a mood to teach, you are in a mood to study, so let's do that combo. So see, let's see. 3776 3776. In this you will take just last 4 digits and you will divide it. Ki 3776, is it divisible by 16? Yes, then definitely the whole number will be divisible by 16. No need to divide full number. Basically, if you are given a choice that you have to divide 4, 6, 7, 8, 3, 7, 7, 6 divided by 16, you can, instead of the whole process, you can simply take this number and start dividing. And if you'll get it, ki 2 times 32 and then 5, then 3, then after that, okay, so some number will be coming. Okay, 6 times. Okay, 6, 6, 36. So 6 times it will come, I'm sure. Then, so that means the whole number will be divisible. Okay, now next let's see divisibility by 6. Most simple efforts. Okay, yes ma'am, seeing your efforts not to waste even in one day. Yes, बस एक तो सा था, हाँ एक तो सा ही तो था. Yes, 16 was pretty simple. 4, 8 and 16 was pretty simple. 2 you already know. 3 very simple. If 2 and 3 you know. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3, it is divisible by 6 also. 6 also. ठीक है? Okay. 12. If a number is divisible by 3 and 4, it is divisible by 12 also. 3 and 12. 3 and 12 because 3 4s are 12. Okay. Now, if a number is divisible by 3 and 5, it is divisible by 15 also. For 18, if a number is divisible by 2 and 9, it will be divisible by 18 also. 6 is simplest, many are simplest. You can see. If a number is divisible by 2 and 7, both prime numbers, then it is divisible by 14 also. If it is divisible by 3 and 8, then it will be divisible by 24 also. Okay, and if it is divisible by 5 and 8, then it will be divisible by 40 also. Well, these are just the creamy and brownie points that you can take. Okay, and if you want to check for 80, if it is divisible by 5 and 16, then 80 also. But 80 ke liye, instead of this, don't you think instead of taking so much of efforts, don't you think we will take efforts or divisibility by 8 and 10? That is, the last digit of the number is 10, and the last 3 digits, we can find the divisibility of last 3 digits, that whether it is divisible by 8 or not. Okay, uh, that's it. The class is over. That's it. All divisibility I've taught you, starting from 2 key table to 80. Whatever numbers are coming, I've taught you, and you can implement. Trust me, you can implement for 2, 4, 8, 5, 6, and 7 and 13 I would not recommend. 11 a big yes. 25 a big yes. 10 you already know. 5 and 10. At least all these things. Okay, at least this. Yes, ittu sa topic. And yes, my query. Yes, please put your. Okay. 18 divisible also. Acha, 18. For 18 you need to check 3, 2 and no. 3 and 2. Yeah, directly 3 and 6. Or you can check 2 and 9 for 18. Too much creamy. Have you seen hat? I will see just after this class. Thank you so much if you have shared any hat for me on Unacademy. And that's it. Please, before going, please click on the like button of this video and keep it safe with you, so that in future if you want to refer, then you can refer. If you want, I can share the PDF on Telegram, and my Telegram channel name that is there in the above this session, that is @Nix Niharika. And please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, Nix Niharika. And to take a plus subscription, my referral code is @Nix28. Okay, sorry, Nix28. That's my referral code. You will get 10% discount if you want to complete your paper 1 and paper 2 preparation on Unacademy Plus platform. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Please take such more classes. For that, Himanshi, you have to wait. This was a kind of a golden moment, but yeah, that we got time. Remaining will be meeting at 6 p.m. I'll try to take such more classes. I want to teach you one more topic. That is root, and some few more topics that are in my mind, but I'll soon teach you. Don't worry. I hope you enjoyed. Please click like and subscribe, and see you on Unacademy for special classes. If you are commerce students, then see you at 6 p.m. If you're a plus learner, then see you tomorrow 10 a.m. I will be scheduling this class. Let me talk to Unacademy. I'll schedule a plus class. See you there. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Yeah. Hello, ma'am. What about sums? Sums you can add, you can do, you can find out, you can put any number and try it. This was all of a sudden, I could not get the opportunity to add any sums here. Okay, I hope you can understand. Already done? Great. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye. No, root, huh? We'll do it. We'll do it. Yeah, 6 p.m. class will be there. Hopefully, it will be there. Please stay connected on Telegram. Bye.